Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to design a personal homepage using the Olares Profile app. Let's get started. To open the Profile app, click the avatar in the dock or select the profile icon in the Launchpad. This is the homepage editor and this is the default URL. Click the jump button to preview what this page looks like. It's pretty simple right now, so let's start customizing it. We'll start with the header. In the header section, you can select a style. Let's go with portrait. To change the profile picture, click on the avatar. I'll go with the default robot avatar for now. Next, add a name and a short bio. The text format can be adjusted here to get the right look. Next, let's add social media links. Click Social and select from multiple social icons. As an example, we'll add links for X, GitHub, and Medium. Since you can see the preview URL below, just entering the handle is enough. These icons will now link directly to those profiles. You can also add content using blocks. Let's add a text block to create a more detailed motto section, and a links block to direct visitors to the Olares official website. To change the overall look, go to the Appearance tab. Here, you can pick a theme you love, mix and match colors, change the block styles, and swap out fonts. Once the homepage is ready, it's time to share it. Olares provides several options. You can share it directly to social platforms or generate a QR code for easy mobile access. You can also share the URL as a digital business card. And that's how you can create and share a homepage with Olares Profile. Thanks for watching.